guys, and welcome back again. So February has been and gone, absolutely flown by. We're now in March, so it's time to talk about some of the seeds that I'm going to be sowing this month. As you can see, the old seed box is out. It's just a photograph case, really handy, and a lot of people are using them at the moment. So I'm going to be going through what we're going to be showing this month, and whilst I'm doing it, I'm going to be showing a few bits and bobs on camera whilst we're talking through everything. So let's just go first with salad leaves. As you know, I've done these last month and in January, and I'm going to be doing another succession of these again this month. I'm going to be doing one of my personal favourites, which is the Lola Rossa, and I'm going to do a tray of just mixed salad leaves as well. One of the other ones that we're going to be successfully sowing is spring onions. I'm going to do another tray of these. Again, I did these last month, didn't do any in January, but I'll keep doing them every 3 to 4 weeks now throughout the summer, so we continuously got a crop of them. I will be doing another sowing of peas up here in the gutter. I'll do another gutter full, and these are Meteor. These are a first early variety. Sow outdoors, January, February, March. Harvest May, June, July, August, September. But I'll be starting these in the gutter just to get a better head start, and then transplanting again in a couple of weeks time. Swiss chard and rainbow chard. I'm going to do a couple of each just to dot around the garden, mainly the coloured ones. They just look nice in and around things, and it's a bonus that you get a harvest out of them as well. Leeks are actually one of the ones that I'm going to be showing today. I'm going to do the Windermere F1. These are from Medwins of Anglesey. Good time to get a crop of leeks in now, and I know I've got some in the house and some already in pots, but these will do for a winter crop. And I'm just going to broadcast them over the top like that. And just give them a covering of compost, and they can just stay in the polytunnel here until they're ready to be planted out. Cape gooseberries, these are a new one to me, but I'm going to give them a go. These will get sown indoors from February to March. A ground cherry, so I'm going to give them a go, but I've never grown them before, so that'll be fun to try. Carrots and parsnips, sow them now. Just try and get a fleece over them until they're such a height. I'll probably be doing my parsnips towards the end of the month, and I'll probably do a couple of containers of carrots in here. I'll do a few containers before doing any outside. So that's them. Radishes. It's a good time to start your radishes now, and if you just do a couple of weeks, every couple of weeks again, succession sow these, you'll be harvesting them all year. So I'll probably do a couple of sowings of them in between probably the parsnips. Perpetual spinach, again, you can be harvesting this throughout the year, but it's good to do a sowing now and a couple of sowings later on down the line, just for when they bolt you've got another crop ready to go. So I'll do a couple more of them. Herbs, you can pretty much do all your herbs now. I've already started a couple, done some basil and some thyme. but we're going to be doing some parsley, some garlic chives and a few other bits, but pretty much all your herbs you can sow from now on. Cucumbers and melons, I'll probably do them towards the end of the month. I did start some the end of last month, but some haven't come up, so I'll do another sowing of those. And we're going to try the market more. I think these are the ones that I did last year, and they did really well for me. So give them a go again. And we've got some lemon cuke here. I think these were from Ali D. She's the queen of seeds. Brussels sprouts, I'm going to do them in this tray in a minute now. But we've got the red ball and Igor. So we're going to give them a go. Cabbages, I'm going to do another 2 sowings of cabbage. We've got Golden Acre and January King. I'm going to sow them today now. And we can also do another succession sowing of beetroots. So we've already got 1, 2, 3 trays of beetroots at the moment. So we'll do another sowing of those and keep them in succession. It's also time to think about starting to plant your first early potatoes. I'll do them in another tray. There's only a couple in that one. Yeah, think about planting first early potatoes, and lots of flowers, plenty of flowers to start now. I've already started most of mine off, but we'll go through that in another video. Right, so these are the Igor Brussels sprouts. Just made a little furrow in there. And prick these out at a later date and pot them on. And if you haven't already, guys, please do consider subscribing. Almost at 800 subscribers now. Be nice to reach that by the weekend. And why not drop me a comment below, let me know what seeds you're sowing this month, if you're sowing any. And another one that most of you will probably be thinking about sowing now is your tomatoes. I've already started mine a couple of weeks ago now, so they'll be getting ready to be pricked out soon. And I know a lot of people haven't done theirs yet. They've been holding off and holding off. I just didn't have the patience, so I sowed mine a little bit early. But that's about it for this one, guys. That's seeds to sow in March and a couple of seeds sown. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.